Hello and welcome. In this video we'll be demonstrating how to wire an RGBWW strip, using a Blebox 5-channel LED controller, paired with the Strelitzia RGB CCT strip. Begin by inserting your positive wires from the LED strip and the power source, into the aperture marked by the plus symbol. Remember to ensure that your wires are adequately stripped. Skip over the opening labeled in, and insert your red wire from the strip, into the opening under the R. Now move on to green, and then blue next. When that's done, we can insert the negative wire from the power source into its demarcated opening. The final step is to insert the cool and warm white wires. For help distinguishing between the two, you can refer to the markings on the LED strip. We've gone ahead and connected this module to a power source, and added it to our network in the Blebox app. If you need help doing this, we have videos showing how to create a network, and how to add devices to it. Navigate to the control page for your device. We won't cover all the features on this page in this video, but if you'd like to learn more, check out the rest of our videos on the Blebox app. For now, the most important thing to notice is this temperature bar. It's only available for devices controlling RGBWW strips. By switching to mono, we can take control of each individual channel. For a very white light, we can push all the colors up to full, leave warm white on 0, and set cold white on full. For the opposite effect, simply set all channels, besides warm white, to 0. As you can see, the tunable white capability can also be used to create some amazing color variations. Thanks for watching. We hope that this video spurs you on in your home improvement adventure.